Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's lesson. Thank you all so much for joining me. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will use division and the associative property to test for factors and observe patterns. Okay, let's go over our vocabulary word for today. So our vocabulary word for today is mass. So mass is the amount of matter in an object. It is measured in grams or kilograms. So we use grams or kilograms to measure both mass and to measure weight. All right, let's go ahead and look at what weighs 1 gram. So when we look at these things, a gram doesn't weigh a whole lot. So a gram is going to be about a stick of gum. That's how much is a gram about. A pen cap or a dollar bill. All of these things are about a gram. So they're not very heavy. Now let's go ahead and compare this to a kilogram. So some things that weigh a kilogram is a pineapple, a 2-pound bag of sugar, and a basketball. So all of these things weigh about a kilogram. So a kilogram is quite a bit heavier than 1 gram. All right, so 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. If I have 2 kilograms, that's going to be equal to 2,000 grams. If I have 3,000 grams, because for every 1,000 grams, we get 1 kilogram, 3,000 grams is going to be equal to 3,000 grams is going to be equal to 3 kilograms. 7 kilograms is going to be equal to 7,000 grams. And 10,000 grams is going to be equal to 10 kilograms. All right. Let's go ahead and solve the problem. So we're going to go ahead and take 5 kilograms, 30 grams, and change them completely over to grams. So I have 30 grams already, so we're going to kind of leave that alone. But I know I can change my kilograms into 5,000 grams because every 1,000 grams is going to equal 1 kilogram. Now I'm going to go ahead and add that to my 30 grams, and that is going to give me 5,030 grams. All right. Now, let's go ahead and go the opposite direction. So if I have 2,500 grams, how many kilograms is that going to equal? So I have 2,000 grams. So that's going to go ahead and switch over to 2 kilograms. So I have 2 kilograms, and I actually now have 500 grams left over, which I can't change to kilograms. So it's going to be 2 kilograms, 500 grams. All right. Now, what if I want to add kilograms and grams? Now, I can't add kilograms and grams together right now because they're not the same. They're not the same units, right? Kilograms and grams are not the same units. So we can't just add 8 to 8,200. What we can do, though, is we can change my kilograms into grams. So I have 8 kilograms, so that's going to be the same as 8,000 grams. So now I can take 8,000 and I can add that to 8,200. And that's going to give me, because I have grams now and grams, right? So I have 8,000 grams and I have 8,200. So let's go ahead and add them together. So I have 0, 0, 0, 200s, and then I have 16,000. So this is going to be equal to 16,200 grams. If I want to change this over to kilograms and grams, I could take my 16,000 grams, change those into kilograms, and then I have 200 grams left. Okay, now let's go ahead and try and take away, right? So over here, I can do this one of 2 ways. I can either, one, change all my kilograms to grams. So if I do that, my 10 kilograms will turn into 10,000 grams. And then my 2 kilograms will turn into 2,000 grams, 250, right? So now if I do that, so then I can go ahead and add these together. So that will turn into 10,000 grams minus 2,250 grams. So 0 minus 0, there we go. We can't take away anything that. We actually have to go all the way to our 10,000s. I'm going to change these over. And now I have 5 tens, which is going to be 5. 9 take away 2 is 7. 9 take away 2 is another 7. And so now we have 7,750 grams. And if I want to change that back into kilograms and grams, my 7,000 grams is going to turn into 7 kilograms. And then I have 750 grams left. All right. Let's go ahead and review today's lesson objective. So today we used division and the associative properties to test for factors and observe patterns. Okay, everybody, thank you all so much for joining me in today's lesson. I'll see you next lesson and have a great day. Bye, everybody.